Good morning guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn from where we can download the Luminaire files and import in Dialux Evo. This is the best part. So if you're a beginner and you don't know from where you can get the Luminaire files, you can check out the Dialux website. So here if you come down you can find here Dialux product catalogs. Under catalogs you have various manufacturers. Under product catalogs you have various manufacturers, so you can separately search any one of this one and you will get the IES files. So let's check with the flaws. We'll go for flaws lighting. This is the official website of flaws, and from here, suppose if we want to have some downlights, suppose if we want to place some downlights, we can go here and select the downlights we need. First let's go and check our project. So I have considered here a simple residential project. This is the living area. We'll go to the side view. This is the living area, a simple foyer area, bedroom and another bedroom. So now let's say that we need to have some downlights here. So we can go to the flaws website and select any downlight of your choice. You can choose any one which fits your requirement. Let us go with cap. So these are the you can see these are the recessed downlights. In the recessed downlights also you have two options, fixed and adjustable. I just want the fixed one. I can select any optics I need, flood or medium beam. So let's select something with the medium beam and CRI 2700 Kelvin. Okay, let me select this one. And once you come down to downloads, here you can find the LDT. LDT files are nothing but the Luminaire files. So if you go to any manufacturer's website to search the Luminaire files, either it will be written as LDT, photometry, IES or ULD files. So any of the four words, if you find it, then please click it and download it. Let's see any other website. Maybe we can go for ELR lighting. Here we have product, downlights. Here you can see IES. So if you click on here, your IES file will get downloaded. So already I have downloaded the flaws one. So I will extract the file. If you open the photometry zip file, you can find IES and LDT files. These both files are supported in the Dialux. You can import both the files, but both files have differences in their own way. We will see the differences later, but first we'll import it and arrange it. So let me consider for this one IES file. I'll go and save it on the desktop. Come back to your Dialux file. Select this tool light, import Luminaire file. So I have saved that Luminaire file on the desktop. So this is my file. Here it will show the preview of those photometric curves. Open it. So here it will display the length, width and height of the Luminaire. For now don't make any changes in this one and click on finish. So you can see whatever file I have imported will be appearing here, and its lumen, light output ratio and what is the wattage or total power will be displayed here. Whenever you are placing any luminaires, it's always preferable to go to the plan view and place it. So we have imported our Luminaire file. Once you have imported your Luminaire file, you can find here the options like draw rectangular arrangement, polygonal arrangement, circular or line arrangement. This is basically just the arrangements. You can choose a rectangular, circle or anything. So for now, let's see about rectangular arrangement. We will draw one rectangular here, and once you draw the rectangular, you can see uh, these lights and the photometric curves are visible in yellow. You can come down here. Here you can see the grid arrangement. It shows you the number of luminaire it has taken for x and y axis. You can reduce it. You can make it 3 and 3. Okay, and you can make the adjustment from here also once you can. So we have placed our lights. Let's go and check in the 3D model. You can see here it's looking like a surface mount lights, not the recessed one. To make it look like a recessed one, we are just going to select it, go to the side view and lift it up. You can see this is my ceiling level. So I'm going to lift this like this. 3D model. Now you can check this, see everything is recessed. This light arrangement I have taken only rectangular one, but this is not the actual design. Okay, uh, if you're really designing any space, there are so many things you need to consider it. I have just made this arrangement to show you how we can place it. So we have placed the lights. Let's run the calculation. When you want to run the calculation, make sure it's in calculation objects and click on entire project. You can see here calculation progress. Once this is completely filled, you can see the light output. So here it is, my calculation has been completed. Once it is displayed here, just click on this one and close it, and you can see the light output. I placed one chandelier here before. You can see the light output of this one also. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned because we are going to explore more options of the lighting. In this part, I have just explained you how to import it in the Dialux. There's so many other options. So please watch my next tutorials. Thank you.